Hey everybody, Francis here from Vickar Mitsubishi. Today we have a 2019 Subaru WRX STI Sport. This vehicle does come with a nice backup camera, heated seats, and so much more. It does put down 305 horsepower and definitely is the last variation of the EJ motor in the STI series if you do a lot of research about that. This vehicle is well maintained by its last owner, is Carfax accident free, and you also do only have low kilometers on this vehicle. So this is definitely one that you wouldn't pass up on. Getting into the engine bay, as you can see, it is an unmodified EJ motor. Now let's get into the interior. This vehicle does come with a nice digital display just right in the middle and your analog to the right. This vehicle does have the nice volume up down to the left, which is very convenient. And you do have your menu scrolling over here. You also do have the nice cruise control. You have a digital boost gauge. This vehicle, you have a touchscreen display where you can connect your phone via Bluetooth and Subaru Starlink and stuff like that. You also do have the nice climate control where you can do dual climate control also too. And you can also have the diff change to Sport Sharp, Sport, Intelligent Mode, SI Drive, and so much more. This vehicle is a 6-speed manual transmission, which is very nice. You feel very direct in this vehicle. And you also do have the nice heated seats. And you also do have a nice rear view camera. So if you did want a chance to come view this Subaru WRX STI, you can definitely come see it at 950 Regent Avenue West, or you can contact us at 204-667-9200. Vickar Mitsubishi, where customers send their friends.